Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, watch lovers. Welcome to WatchWire News. Today we're talking about a super cheap smartwatch that's got everyone wondering, can you get a great deal on a device without sacrificing features? Say hello to the Tozo S6. So, what makes this affordable smartwatch stand out from the rest? First off, it's got a clear 1.82-inch display that's actually pretty impressive for its price point. And let me tell you, watching fitness videos or browsing social media on this thing is a real treat. The AMOLED screen is so crisp and clear, you'll feel like you're right there in the action. But it's not just about looks. The Tozo S6 also comes with some pretty standard features like GPS tracking and Bluetooth connectivity. Now, I know what you're thinking, GPS? That sounds like a big deal. And yes, it is. But unfortunately, this watch doesn't come equipped with built-in GPS. Still, it's not too shabby for a budget-friendly option. One of the things that really caught my attention about the Tozo S6 was its battery life. According to the manufacturer, you should get around 15 days on a single charge. Sounds good, right? Well, let me tell you, in real-life testing, I barely managed to squeeze out 10 days with moderate activity tracking and health monitoring. Now, before we dive into the pros and cons, let's talk about price. The Tozo S6 is available for just $79.99 US or £54 UK, which is pretty hard to beat. But does that mean it's a steal? Well, that depends on what you're looking for in a smartwatch. For casual exercise tracking, the Tozo S6 is actually a great option. It's got all the basics covered: step tracking, distance, calories burned, you name it. And with its affordable price tag, it's a no-brainer if you're just starting out or don't want to break the bank on a more advanced fitness tracker. However, if you're a serious athlete or fitness enthusiast, you might find yourself wanting more from your smartwatch. The Tozo S6 doesn't quite deliver in that department. Its health tracking features are limited and lack some of the bells and whistles you'd expect from more expensive models. So, is the Tozo S6 worth it? Well, for casual users or those on a tight budget, absolutely. You get a solid smartwatch with a great display at an unbeatable price. But if you're looking for something more advanced, you might want to look elsewhere. That's just not what this watch delivers. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to WatchWire News. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech news straight from the world of smartwatches.